The Wampís Nation are an indigenous nation from the Peruvian Amazon, and they are experts at protecting their precious forests. Their territory is over 1.3 million hectares, more than half the size of Wales. The Wampís Nation's territory is full of biodiversity, and they have kept deforestation within 2%.
We have lived here for more than 7,000 years, and in spite of those long years, we have never destroyed our territory. Every year, the territory of the Wampís Nation absorbs 57 million tonnes of carbon.
The Wampís have their own language and traditions that are unique to their culture, and they are preserving them for future generations. Growing their own food is another important part of their culture.
We are parents, and it is our duty to transmit knowledge to our children, just like our ancestors did.
Yet in recent months, they've witnessed a huge increase in the presence of illegal mining on their territory, and it is very worrying. The Wampís have set up a monitoring group to respond to the threats, tackle this crisis, and evict the miners. They've received no support from the Peruvian state and are currently fighting alone.
We are taking good care of the forests, and we do not want to destroy it because it is our life. That is why we have said no to oil, mining and logging companies. We always say that the work of the Wampís Nation, it's not just for our benefit or only for Peru, it's for the whole of humanity.
Travelling by boat is their main mode of transport. With support from Size of Wales and the Welsh Government, they are using the first solar-powered boats in Peru. The Wampís have a saying, Tarimiat Put.
Tarimat Pahut means taking care of nature and our territory because our life depends on it. It guarantees our survival, it is our pharmacy. And we ask humanity not to contaminate Mother Earth. We have to leave it in good care for the next generation.
In response to these issues, the Wampís have set up their own form of indigenous government. Each member of the community's voice is heard before decisions are made. There's so much we can learn from their way of life, their connection to the land, and the way they amplify their voice. Both have distinct languages, cultures, and traditions. The Wampís Nation and Cymru, both small nations but with very big voices.